Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2018 BMW 4 Series M Sport we have in stock here today. This is just a quick walkthrough of some of the standard and optional features you get with the car. To begin with, you've got the Alpine white paint, you've got the optional 19-inch alloy wheels, you can see the standard blue calipers for the M Sport braking system just set behind. You've got the M Aerodynamic body styling package on this car. You can see some of them upgrades being shown here on the front of the car. You've got privacy glass as an optional feature in this car, as well as the high gloss Shadowline exterior trim as part of the M Sport package. And you've got the chrome exhaust tips at the rear as well, part of the M Sport package. Moving to the inside of the car, first thing you'll notice is the M Sport kick plate. You've then got a full leather interior. You can see the front M Sport seats, fully electric with the memory settings on the side. You've got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel here. You've got access to cruise control on there. You've got the upgraded Harmon and Kardon sound system. That's an optional feature for the car. You've also got the push to start button as standard. You've got your climate control functions. You've got heated seats as a standard feature. You can see on the lower half of the center console now, you've got your gear mode selector. You've got access to some driving dynamic modes. You've got a rear view camera being shown here on the center screen as an optional feature, as well as DAB radio as standard. And lastly, you'll notice you've got the dark grained wood insert throughout the inside of the car, another optional feature. If you'd like any more information on this 2018 BMW 440i M Sport, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.